Little Stitch shoes. Haven't had to wear those in a while. Guys, we're leaving the island.
I'm Joey.
I'm Kate.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Kate. We've gotten so used to not wearing our shoes and shirts in our little slice of paradise, but it had to happen at some point. We are packing our bags and leaving the island. And getting to the mainland for some design and some surprise DIYs and, oh, you know, just maybe spying on the new owners of our old house. They're looking at us. Are they looking at us? Hope they're not watching.
Oh, guys, look, it's the same, just you know, like the bigger version.
What? I'm in LA again? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are here in LA at my sister's house. You can see it behind me. It's our first time off the island since we moved nearly a year ago. Oh my God, this is her giant cat. It is a mess in her house. I feel so bad. We got here last night and it's already, Moon has made his mark. Although Tess is the one who brought up all those rubber duckies. So I'm gonna try to give you guys an informal tour of my sister's house and you can just see the cuteness of it. This is her first house and she's just made it so cute. You guys remember Mr. Sister, her first apartment? If you guys remember that, you're old school. Thank you. Love you. Special shout out to you for remembering Mr. Sister. Also, we are going to go see our old house from OMG. We bought a house, go drive by, see what it looks like. I'm so excited. I want to see if Moon even like remembers it. Also, there's an empty frame above the bed in the bedroom that my sister has us in. So I'm thinking I want to do like a DIY art piece in secret while she's like out working. I don't know, something funny or something cute depending on the time I have. And she has her art supplies here, so I'm gonna borrow them. We gotta pick some oranges off that tree for sure. Let's make some orange juice.
Yeah, those are juicing oranges.
Are they juicing oranges? Look at this. Are you kidding me? This is amazing. There's, oh yeah. I'm so excited to try your orange juice.
Yes, we're blending the orange juice. That's Italian way.
Really?
Wait, how do you work this thing with all that's broken? Wait a moment. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Hold on a moment. I actually don't know how to work it. How do you work it?
I think isn't that the power?
It's the power, but it was right here.
Blended OJ?
Wait. Can you mind your please? Please? Hey! His phone is ringing. Bring, bring, bring.
Hello. Hi. Yes. I can't move. I got a lot of ducks on me. I know. That Moon, he's a trickster.
What are you calling?
Who am I calling?
Yeah.
I'm calling somebody to help me. I'm covered in ducks.
Okay.
I got 10 of them. You have 10 toes?
No.
Wait, you don't have 10 toes? What are you got there?
Took up some of the sprinkles.
Chocolate ice cream with sprinkles first, and then black olives and garbanzo beans. Oh my god.
I'm so cold.
You're so cold?
That's because you're eating ice cream.
You also have an ice cream unibrow. Forget about ice cream mustache. You took it all the way up to the brows.
Alright, we're at Santa Monica Pier.
It's so funny, we look so touristy in like what used to be our hometown.
Is that a roller coaster? How was that, buddy? Was that fun? Oh. Moon. You want to go look at our old house?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember how to get there?
How?
Do you remember where it is?
This is the street that we walked up. That would be the perfect toddler recreation. Someone just pulled in our old driveway. Or
We are at
turning around.
our old house in LA.
But you're whispering.
And
We're spying on the person who
we were
bought
gonna go
our house.
look at it, but now someone just pulled into the driveway.
Someone just pulled in the driveway. So now we're weirdly squatting on the
I feel like
sidewalk
they're
with
looking
the
at
camera.
us.
Shoot. No, it's two people. They are looking at us. Are they looking at us?
That's a new owner.
I think that's the new owner. Well, because you know when you sell something, you sell it. to
They're not
someone
on
who's buying it.
We got a good look from the outside. Looks like they really haven't changed much. All of our lighting's still up. Even the front chairs that we had are still out. So, anyways, it looks like they didn't change anything.
Literally
it was
nothing.
It was kind of an emotional journey for the big guy because I
He
think
wanted to go inside, and he didn't really understand why we couldn't go inside. You know what? We noticed, Moon and I,
what
that the gate latch that used to always fall out, the front gate
Fell
latch,
out?
was missing.
Oh.
So the one thing that like we didn't replace or renew for the new owner is still broken.
that was pretty cool. I like our new house better.
Yeah, me too. Hi, So, artwork time. Told you guys I was thinking about doing just like a little surprise like artwork thing for Tess in that empty frame. Just has the black like insert from the store inside of it. Her house is really just obviously, as you guys have seen, pulled together, looks so cute, but there's like those little things that, you know, I totally understand you just like don't get around to. She's so busy. So I'm gonna do like a little surprise piece of art for her, just helping her finish off her space. Obviously it's something super easy for her to change out if she doesn't like it. I can't find any of her artist paper though, and I'm trying to get this done fast while Moon is sleeping. So I think I'm gonna use the piece of paper that was inside the frame already. I think I'm gonna try to do some kind of like homage to her cats. early morning. I'm gonna hang it up before we leave, but I wanted you to see it. Ready? Wait. Now I'm kind of very rough. Okay. Don't look at any of these things.
Can you lift me up?
Ta-da!
I can see the picture.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's amazing. I love it. Whoa. I love it so much. Is Bugsy giving me a scalp massage?
Yeah. And it's you and your...
That is very artistic. I love it so
Essence.
much. It's perfect. You have a photograph.
Wait, will you stand next to it? Oh my gosh, yes! Now you just need Bugsy on your head.
I'm giving her a scalp massage.
You giving her a scalp massage. Oh, you match it so well, actually, with your shirt. You ready to go to New York and see Gigi? Hello, New York! Oh my gosh, I miss this view. Oh, I love the city so much. And I haven't been here since before Moon was born. Oh my gosh. Let's go into the apartment. What's happening here? Looks very familiar. We are here in New York and my mom's apartment is in flux. So we are setting stuff up. And New York City is a very different experience doing furniture things. Gotta take it down in the elevator.
New York morning.
That coffee table is gonna go there. And gotta fudge this over, unpack. Ay. Right now we're gonna play with these guys.
I don't want to get that big booming sound again for the bird.
Oh, did you see the lightning? Wasn't that cool?
Yeah, I saw black.
Wow.
Is it coming from behind those buildings?
It's coming from the clouds.
Coming from up inside, baby. You experienced your first thunderstorm today. That's why it's a fling bopper.
Yeah, I see. All right.
Whoa.
Oh, weird.
Can't even see it now.
That's how fast she's going.
Go faster.
Oh, that's the fastest go. The legs don't go any faster than that.
Why?
Well,
Because her legs are, what, 91? Whoa, there was such a big lightning behind you. I think I got it on video. Or those, like, that. Was he? Oh, did you see it?
Ooh, yeah.
Every window got, like, a person behind it.
Yep.
I mean, not standing there behind it. That sounds creepy, but.
That's if you have trouble getting the shoe on, so you put that down there by your foot and then you.
Come in here and close the door behind us.
Okay, see you guys later.
My great grandpa, a self-taught DIYer, whittled these.
It's not just chiseled people, they're like really creative people.
I know, that looks like an outfit I put Moon in. Oh,
But here, this is
Mom and Dad's wedding.
Nanu, a class picture.
Aw, cute, Nanu. Oh, look at
That's my
Moon.
baby. Put that back.
This was before Moon because this was when we had all our fur babies. Wait, I love that I gave her a picture of Winston licking his butt. What are you guys? Oh, who's in there now?
Ow, look.
Look,
Let me see.
we're doing photocopies of all of Moon's stuffed animals.
Wait, should
And
we
that at
frame
the end.
these? I think we should frame these.
Let's see who this is gonna be.
Nene knows who all these characters are. We could put him above this couch right here.
Look.
Oh,
That's so cool.
look.
Owl head.
That's sort of the theme of our of our trip. Surprising people with weird with weird artwork.
What's that, Mama?